The Secretary of State will be aware that during the course of the pandemic, well in excess of 40,000 people lost their lives to COVID in care homes, and the protective ring his predecessor talked about being in place at the start of the pandemic went in far too late. He will also be aware that 2 in 3 unpaid carers, some 7 million people, have reported their mental health worsening as a result of the pandemic, looking after loved ones. So will he help his boss to make good on his promise of almost 2 years ago on social care reforms and honour his manifesto pledge of cross-party work on this issue and meet with me and my right honourable friend, the member for Kingston and Surbiton, to urgently start work on this issue?
Mr Deputy Speaker, first of all, can I thank the Honourable Lady for her comments and the nature of her comments about working together, and I think she's absolutely right to say that, especially on something so important as social care. And she's right to raise this as a priority for government, for this House. She reminded the House that sadly that so many people in care homes lost their lives and have done so through this pandemic. She will be aware that even before the pandemic, the government had pumped billions more into the social care system. During the pandemic, there was a lot of support, but a lot more needs to be done. And I think that's what she's rightly getting to. And the government have said that the best way to find a sustainable solution to the country's social care challenge is for parties to work together and to cooperate together, and I would happily meet with her.